Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a Sudoku puzzle book niche to work on KDP Amazon, then this video is only for you. Finding good profitable books on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I'll show you a book or a niche area that I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. So today we are discuss about highly profitable Sudoku puzzle book for adult. So if you want to work this type of niche, then you have great opportunity to earning from Amazon KDP. So if you are watching with for the very first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. And if you are watching for the very first time, obviously you can support me. But if you are supporting for a very long time, because some of the people who are watching my video who are just listening my video, they know me all things about Amazon KDP from my channel. So guys, we are going to Amazon marketplace and we'll show search results of Sudoku puzzle book for adult. Now we can start. Our first niche is 1000 Sudoku puzzle book for adult. Here we can see 596 results for 1000 Sudoku puzzle book for adults. So this is very profitable, highly profitable income chances from Amazon KDP per month. You you want to get earning per month $1,000 easily. So first book, here we see 930 review. So you can easily earning this similar earning from KDP from using and from uploading this type of book. Here I also show the seller how much income per month and per day from this book. So calculating here is BSR rank is 1156. So we can calculate this niche 1156 book and calculate. Wow, per day sales 132 piece and per month he will income 1983. This is very profitable and unbelievable. We can we want, and obviously we upload and we make this type of book and upload the Amazon KDP, and per month earning this similar earning. Here here now we're going to talking about our second niche is 500 500 Sudoku puzzle book for adult. Here is showing results 521. This is very profitable. This is very profitable, and we are must be work for this type of book. Here we can see 53 review. Then wow, here we can see also 130 334. This is very profitable. This is very profitable. We must be upload this type of book, and we try to make good KDP cover and good KDP manuscript of Sudoku puzzle book. Here we can calculate, that is the seller how much earning from this book. 1334. Wow, per day sales 119 and per month sales 1789. So must be working and must be upload this type of book on Amazon KDP and earning unlimited earning per month. And our third niche is 1000 all easy Sudoku puzzle book. Here we can see 477 results. Here we will show. There is also another good niche of Sudoku puzzle book. Here is 302 review. Here is 471 review. So we can easily make from this book. Free software. Sudoku audu.com. So here is a website. Here we can easily make Sudoku puzzle book, Warsa's puzzle book, etc., and activity books of adult, etc. So here we can easily make this type of KDP Sudoku interior. We can see also the interior page. this type of interior here, this type of Sudoku interior we can easily make from this audio.com. From here we can easily make Sudoku puzzle book, word search puzzle book, and activity books for adults, etc. etc. Now our fourth niche is 1000 plus all hard Sudoku puzzle books. Here we can results showing 516 results. This is another very good and professional Sudoku puzzle book. So here we can see 471 review. So this type of books make easily, and this type of cover make easily, and upload good keywords, good description, good title, and you earn 1000 plus per month very easily, very easily. Now our fifth niche is plus Sudoku puzzle books. Please wait. Network is very slow. Please wait. Here we can and see 95 results only. This is very highly profitable niche of Sudoku puzzle books. Here we can see 144, and this is a good opportunity to upload this type of niche, because here results only 95, and great opportunity, low competition Sudoku puzzle books niche, but highly income. So if you get into the right niche and use the right keywords, so you get the earning from Amazon KDP using this type of niche. Per month you get earning obviously 1000 plus. So if you like this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon, so I can actually share with my ideas with my more niche and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much. Thank you.